climate change, the issues of biodiversity loss, the issues of loss of social cohesion, mental health in young people, the issues of what economic models are viable. These are all scientific issues, and they're all issues beyond the gee whiz of the robot on Mars or whatever, which are all nice stories. But science is relevant to everybody on the planet.
And that means we all have a stake in understanding science.
Science plays an incredibly important role, but science is only useful if it's done in partnership with the community and also our political leadership.
That relationship was tested during the COVID-19 pandemic.
Science is a journey. There are unknowns, you learn more, you change your views, we evolve our thinking. But that was quite a foreign and difficult concept for the public, I think, because when we changed approaches, it was often seen as, oh, but you got that one wrong. So understanding the scientific process, I think, was a real big challenge in COVID.
A challenge made even more complex by conspiracy theories that promote the loss of trust in science and journalism, fed by divisive actors and disinformation, and a lack of specialist science reporting in mainstream news media.
And the way scientists communicate and the way the media acts as interpreters in that communication is critical. Done well, it can help science be what all said and done it is, a universal language, and perhaps the only universal language, but it's a language with limits, and we need to be honest about those limits.
I am incredibly excited about a much higher level of scientific literacy in the community. You know, every man on the street knows the 4 letters mRNA and what it did and what it can do. That's incredible. And even prior to the pandemic, most people didn't really know the difference between a virus and bacteria, a drug and a vaccine. So the literacy is really high. I think that's a great thing. I also think that people should make conscious decisions around their health intervention and healthcare and vaccines. And we need to make sure we can provide all of that information in a really clear and coherent way.
Something that can only happen if journalists and scientists work together.
It's communication, it's honesty, and that's what we need to work on as partners.
The International Science Council is working with partners, journalists, and content providers to build that trust. Join us in advancing science as a global public good.